Cool, right? Well, yeah, that was all done by AI. Let me tell you about this channel called Revolux. They have over 120,000 subscribers, and they gain millions upon millions of views by posting these Mortal Kombat transformation videos. But why are we going to do this too? Well, why not? Plus, S-Main Real Vlog asked me how to create such videos. And yes, I can certainly unveil the secrets and tell you how to do something like that too. So, are you excited? Well, let's go. First of all, we will take a screenshot of the starting frame like this, and then I will crop the screenshot. Of course, you could also consider downloading the video and then export a still frame per CapCut, but we are going to do it like this. Now we will also take a screenshot and crop it of the frame where the transformation happened, and the character is now a Mortal Kombat character. Now go to Google's AI Studio. Go to the right and make sure you have selected the Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now write the following text. Please give me an image prompt to create a similar image. Now add the first screenshot and press enter. Now choose a prompt and copy it. Next up, go to Leonardo AI. Here we can generate images for free and we get daily 150 credits. Now add the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate it. This will take around 30 seconds. Here are the results. Okay, not bad. But normally it does a bit better job, in my opinion. So since I have a Mid-Journey subscription, I will generate the image there. This one looks great. Now next I tried something, but do not copy what I am doing because it failed. I started a new Google chat and changed the model to the image generation model. Gemini 2.0 Flash. Then I asked it to change the generated image into a Mortal Kombat character. This was the result. Not bad, but in my opinion this is just plainly another image and has nothing to do with the blonde office girl. So yeah, we will use the same approach as for the first image. So simply select Gemini 2.5 Pro, ask for the image prompt and upload the second screenshot. Now generate the image in Leonardo AI. Okay, this looks great, but to be consistent, I will also generate this in Mid-Journey. Okay, now we are going to Kling AI. Here we can generate AI videos. Click on Create. Now on the left, click on Video. Now drop the first generated image there. Okay, now we will need to log in or sign up. Let's connect our Google account. Okay, now click on End and upload the second image. So this will be the start and end of the video. Now we can write a prompt. So let's write, woman walks and transforms into a Mortal Kombat version of herself. Now I tried to change the video duration to 10 seconds, but as you can see here, you need to be on a paid plan to do that. So let's keep it at 5 seconds and generate it. But to make our video longer, we will generate a video with only the seconds image, the end frame. So let's delete the start and end image and upload the second image like this. Now let's add this prompt. Woman walks and waves her hands, and generate it. Okay, that's a bummer. We can only generate one video at a time here. No worries, let's go to AI AI, go to the image to video, and do the same process again like this. As a bonus, I will also select a camera movement here, and then generate the video. Okay, nice. But you know what isn't nice? Well, the waiting times. The waiting times can be very long when you are using the free plans. The perfect time to get outside and go in nature. Luckily, you won't have to wait right now because here are the video results. Okay, the transformation turned out a bit different, but normally this works LOL. And by the way, the AI AI generation keeps adding minutes, so I will also generate the last frame here. This generation took like 7 minutes, not bad, but as you can see the video is in reverse it seems, so we need to reverse the clip in CapCut. Let's download it. Now open a new CapCut project and drop the videos in there. Now put the videos together so they smoothly transition like this. And yes, I will reverse the second clip. To make up for the awful transition, I will simply add some effects. Now add a watermark. Now add some music. I got some music from the audio library. Lastly, add a filter. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create Mortal Kombat AI transformations and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye, here is the end result.